because when you sit, you're feeling your energy and the energy around you, and that's what cooking is. Cooking is learning how to take the energy of food and put it together, and then send it out to feed people. And it's not so much the dish itself, the dish of rice or the dish of soup, but it's the energy that you're giving somebody. That's what the goal is. And I know, I had a lot of experiences with my teacher. I mean, I trained with my teacher before he died in cooking. And the way he taught me was we went for walks, or we went for drives, or we went to the store and looked at different things. So it never was, I mean, we did cook every day because we had to cook something for the people that were at the dojo. But, he was always teaching me to take it beyond just what you're seeing. It's just so many things are interrelated. And I think that that's what I keto also taught me too, was here's this movement, and these people and this energy, and what are you going to do with it? When we have intensive training here, I'll take people into the kitchen and work with them to help me prepare meals and to serve the during the week that we're training, or the during the time frame that we're training. But there hasn't been anybody that has said, I want to come and learn cooking from you and come and learn every day. So I don't have anybody to pass it on to, but so I'm been working on a cookbook to pass on the recipes, because the food is really important during training to help people relax and nourish themselves, and to get enough stamina to keep going, because the training can be intense. So, but the important thing is to learn how to take care of people. So that's really what it's all about.